MaSpy MuZanu Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel. Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana karibu tanka kuya paneno channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Subscriber. Don't forget to comment and share this video. MaSpy Zimbabwe takuigirai nyabulitswa na the Children of War Veterans Association. Buda ishtaura iyo ichete Jim Kunaka arikushanda na senior ZANU-PF official pamwe chete na the former political commissar Sylvia Kasukuwere kutwana kwa Vice President Topple Mnangagwa pachigaro. So my leaked documents are Buda Kunaka achinzi is a serious threat to Mnangagwa. Mabuda, the children of Zimbabwe War Veterans Association on their ex-yando wachitawala ivo vachiti leaked secret documents from ZANU-PF Harare province saying Comrade Jim Kunaka is a serious threat who is working with some unmentioned Politburo, Provincial, DDC members and Kasukuwere to unseat President Mnangagwa in Buda. So the children of Zimbabwe War Veterans Association on their ex-endo wachitawala ivo vachiti Jim Kunaka rushanda na Kasukuwere pamwechete ma Politburo members pamwechete ma Provincial members pamwechete nema DCC members kutwana kwa Vice President Topple Mnangagwa pachigaro. So wa Kunaka former ZANU-PF Harare Provincial Youth Chairman vakange vabhidzingwa muZANU-PF after the late President Robert Mugabe vakabviswa mupower muZimbabwe. Jim Kunaka vaizikanwa nekutungamirira violent group yema youth yainzi Chipangano iyo yaifamba muHarare ichirova ma opposition party members. From mugore 2018 vakaappear before the commission of inquiry. Vakunaka vakabuda vachitaura ivo vachiti play the key role mu violence yakaonekwa ichirova ma MDC members especially during my elections at 2008. So vakabuda nguva iyoyo vachiaccuse the army of killing people during the 1 August 2018 protest, and vakabuda vachiti the commission should consider ZANU-PF alleged history of violence asi zvisinei vakazwa readmitwa the ruling party ZANU-PF in statement yavo yakabuditsa mushure mekunge readmitwa ZANU-PF vakabuda vachitaura vachiti I was myopic and misled by anger and disgruntlement. I'm a ZANU-PF member to the core and no one can take it away from me. This is my decision and I'm not influenced by anyone. Kunaka vachuda journalist vakaenda mberi vachiti I'm ready to work for the party as a messenger. I'm ready to deliver. I'm ready to work for the party to ensure Harare is back to ZANU-PF. And for Kunaka vakajoina opposition politics mugore 2017 after the military coup yakabuditsa Mugabe asi vakazodzokera zvakare ku ZANU-PF and vakatame vakajoina the opposition vanga vabhoikana nekutonga kwa Mnangagwa. So now vari kunze vadzoka kuzodonedza President Topple Mnangagwa vachibatsirana na Kasukuwere. Pane nyaya yakambobuda zvakare last week chinzi during a Politburo meeting pane vanhu during a Politburo meeting yakaitwa hanzi hazvina kupera mushe President Topple Mnangagwa vanga vakatsamwa chinzi pane vanhu vari kuda kuwanikwa vachivabvisa pachigaro tisingazive kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi. So the statement yabuditswa ne the Children of Zimbabwe War Veterans Association yabuda yakanzi. So this letter ngayanyorwa yakanzi an extract of the minutes of the extraordinary meeting of the Provincial Coordinating Committee held on 16 July 2024. So yanzi under the listed members of the Central Committee, the National Executive Council of the War Veterans, Women and Youth Leagues, do hereby confirm that the extract of the minutes of the extraordinary meeting of the Provincial Coordinating Committee held at Harare Province on Tuesday, 16 July 2024 is a correct record of the proceedings, and during deliberations on item 4 of the meeting's agenda, which dealt with the application for readmission of two comrades, Jim Kunaka and Terence Kumbula, who had submitted their letter to DCC 6, the provincial chairwoman, Comrade Ratidzo Mukarati made the following utterances that were deemed distasteful, malicious, reckless, and highly divisive. And so 1, all of you here do not know Jim Kunaka as well as I do. And so 2, all the suspended members whose prohibition orders were lifted by the National Disciplinary Committee were being set up by who? And the 3, members of the Harare Provincial Coordinating Committee, and specifically Central Committee and Politburo members and those surrounding the President, are working with Kasukuwere with intentions of harming the President, and that she knows those people by name. She made these utterances in response to contributions that had been made by members of the PCC who had strong reservations over the recommended readmission of Jim Kunaka, particularly Comrade Nelson Hlangiso, NCA, who the first raised a motion objecting to the readmission of Jim Kunaka on the basis of his utterances to the Motlanthe Commission of Inquiry. And the Comrade Goodwill Mafuratidze, CC, seconded the objections by the Comrade Hlanganiso. And the 3, Comrade Daniel Mupurutsa, NCA, made his objections based on vulgar utterances attributed to Jim Kunaka, which he made against all veterans of Harare. Comrade Pamidzai Chavunduka, CC, had gone further to state that Jim Kunaka had basically threatened to impregnate all women, all veterans, giving them twins, and that they should go back to the bush and meet the spirits of their late comrades. And the 5, Comrade Sarudzai Mutasa, CC, seconded Comrade Chavunduka on the issue of Jim Kunaka threatening to impregnate female war veterans, and Comrade Aida Mashonganyika, Elders Council, also contributed that it was impossible to accommodate or work with Kunaka since she herself was violently dispossessed of a gold mine in Mashonaland West by Jim Kunaka. And the Comrade Mukarati said we should look beyond Jim Kunaka by stating that she is the one who actually had full knowledge of him, and that he was working with members of the Provincial Coordinating Committee of Harare, particularly members of the Central Committee of Harare Province and members of the Politburo and the Presidium surrounding the President, who were now security threat working in cahoots with Kunaka as proxies of Kasukuwere. She went further to say that she knows the said culprits and was prepared to name them. In a letter yabuditswa the Zimbabwe Veterans Association of Zimbabwe, since MaZanu PF members agara pasi pakabuditswa information iyo yekuti Kunaka is working with Kasukuwere and Politburo members nevamwe vanhu surrounding vari vakasurrounda president kuti vanenge vachiwabvisa pachigaro. Tisingazivi kuti nyaya chokwadi here kana kuti tudziwo zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.